Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Indian Energy Exchange Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results, but we will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Last year they got 67.8 crores from revenue from operations. This year 91 crores. Here approximately 23 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 34 percentage revenue was increased year on year. This is positive sign. Later, other income. Previous year 13 crores. This year 11.8 crores. Here 1 crore was decreased, but we will ignore this one. Later, expenses. Employee benefit expenses. Previous year 10.4 crores. Current year 9.5 crores. So here 1 crore was decreased. Later, finance cost. Previous year 54 lakhs. This year also 54 lakhs. Here finance cost was constant, but they are paying very less interest. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later, depreciation. Previous year 4.4 crores. This year 4.2 crores. Here depreciation is constant. We'll ignore this one. Later, other expenses. Previous year 9.2 crores. This year 6.6 crores. Here other expenses were decreased. What we understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenues are increased, but expenses are decreased. This is positive sign. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 56.3 crores. Current year 81.8 crores. Here 24 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 45% profit before tax year on year increase. This is positive sign. Later, income tax. Here total income tax expense. Previous year 14.2 crores. Current year 19.7 crores. Here revenues increased. Due to that one, income tax also increased. Later, profit for the period. Previous year 42 crores. Current year 62 crores. Here 20 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 48% profit after tax year on year increase. This is positive sign. Later, here paid up equity share capital. Previous year 29 crores 83 lakhs. This year 29 crores 85 lakhs. Here little bit increase. We need to find the reason why paid up equity share capital is diluted. That means that is due to employee stock options or any bonus shares like that we need to analyze. Later, earning per share basic. Previous year 1.41 rupees. Current year 2.1 rupee. Here approximately 70 paise was increased. This is positive sign. Now we'll check quarter on quarter results. Previous quarter revenue from operations is 93.8 crores. Current quarter 91 crores. Here approximately 2 crores was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 3% decrease quarter on quarter. Later, profit before tax. Previous quarter 79.8 crores. This quarter 81.8 crores. Here 1 crore was increased. We'll check it in percentage. 3% quarter on quarter profit before tax increased. Later, profit for the period. Previous quarter 60.8 crores. Now 62 crores. Here approximately 1.2 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 2% quarter on quarter profit increase. What we understood based on year on year results and quarter on quarter results. Indian Energy Exchange year on year results are excellent. Quarter on quarter results are flat. We'll give more importance for year on year. That means IEX results are good. Now we'll check few more points. Yesterday price of IEX is 446. That means yesterday it was increased 4.45%. Today before pre-open price is 450. Here 0.9% increase. Now we'll check the dividend. Go to corporate actions. Click here. IEX listed in markets in 2017. So from 2018 onwards, they are giving dividends. Here in 2018, they gave 22 rupees as dividend. 2020 they gave 2.5 rupees. 21 they gave 2.5 rupees. So 2018 22 rupees. Then 2020 it was decreased from 22 rupees to 2.5 rupees. Here we need to find the reason. If you see here, in 2018, stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupee. That means one stock splits to 10 parts. Now we need to compare with dividend. So 2018 22 rupees, but 2020 2.5. Now 2.5 rupees into 10 parts will get 25 rupees. So in 2020 they gave 25 rupees as dividend. So it was increased from 22 rupees to 25 rupees. Later in 21 they gave 2.5. That means 2.5 into 10, 25 rupees. Then yesterday they announced 1.5 rupee as dividend. Here board recommends final dividend. Here 1.5 rupee dividend. Now 1.5 into 10, 15 rupees. Already they got 25 rupees. Now 15 rupees. Totally 40 rupees. Dividend was increased from 25 rupees to 40 rupees. That is positive sign. Later, here ROCE of IEX is 60.4%. This is very good figure. Later ROE is 46.7. This is also good figure. IEX, ROCE and ROE are excellent. Later, debt to equity is 0.02. That means this company is zero debt company. Later, here free cash flow for 10 years is 1100 crores. This is also very good figure. Later, price to sales is 39.1. That means to generate 1 rupee sales, we are giving 39 rupees. So here price to sales is very high. That means if we compare with price to sales, then currently IEX is overvalued. But we need to consider other things also. IEX is monopoly company. So for that purpose, here IEX is overvalued. Now we'll check price chart for 1 year and also results for 1 year. Here IEX price before 1 year is 174 rupees. Current price is 445 rupees. It was increased from 174 rupees to 445. That means it increased 2 times or 3 times. Now we'll check results. Here we have four quarters results. In September quarter, sales are 5% increase and profits decreased 9%. In December quarter, sales increased 42% and profits increased 39%. In March quarter, sales increased 35%, profits increased 33%. In June quarter, sales increased 34% and profits increased 47%. If we see sales and profits from September to June quarter, here sales are increasing continuously, but profits decrease in September quarter. Later, profits increased remaining 3 quarters. That is positive sign. Here results are very good. Due to this one, price also increased from 174 to 445 rupees in 1 year. Now we'll check current PE. PE before result is 65. PE after result is 59. IEX got good results. Due to that one, PE was reduced from 65 to 59. That means 6 points was reduced. That is positive sign. But currently PE 59 means that is overvalued. But we need to think other things also. IEX is monopoly company, but currently it's overvalued. If the market corrects, then this stock also will correct. At that time, we should buy this type of stocks in our portfolio. Conclusion is, here pros, year-on-year results are excellent. Monopoly business, dividend increase continuously. That is positive signs. Cons is overvalued based on current PE and book value and price to sales. Risk, price increases from 174 rupees to 446 rupees 1 year. So we need to consider when to enter into this price. So for that purpose, we need to check different details. If we analyze this company in different angles, then we can invest into this type of companies for long term. If we invest for long term, then we'll get more money in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.